Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. In today's tutorial episode, I'll be guiding you through how to clear Spotify search history. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. To clear your Spotify history, go open your Spotify application. First, sign into your account if necessary. As soon as you do that, all you need to do is go to this button at the top right, and give it a tap. This is where Spotify keeps tabs of your activity while using the platform. These are the lists of the songs that you've recently played on Spotify. You might want to clear your recently played list if you don't want someone else using your account and seeing the music you listen to, or maybe you simply want to reorganize your Spotify account. To do so, tap on the search button at the bottom of the screen and tap on the search box. Once you do that, you'll be able to see the recent searches. To clear all the recent searches, tap on Clear Recent Searches at the bottom, and there you go. That's how you clear your recently played list on Spotify using your Android device. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.